Latest emerging trends in all spheres. Today's challenge in structural engineering is rehabilitating and strengthening of existing structures rather than designing a new one. In the same manner, finding the alternative new eco-friendly construction materials is the demand of the need. Innovations in structural optimization, sophisticated computer applications are of growing importance. Climate changes and changing water levels, GIS, economy and future as a whole need to be focused on. In one word, sustainable development is the need of the hour. With this background, the Department of Civil Engineering took a bold step of creating a platform to discuss and disseminate the research results, new trends and practical solutions. The conference work started way back in the month of December 2012. With advices and recommendations of experienced and experts in civil engineering field, we successfully stand today before you. I am in fact fortunate enough for being bestowed with the responsibility of an organizing secretary of the conference, and I deem it as a proud privilege. We have tremendous response from the authors from international scenario and across the country. We have received 85 full-length papers from academia and industry besides 8 keynote papers. The keynote speakers are eminent personalities very much renowned in their fields of engineering. We are very much privileged and fortunate to have you among us, sirs. We have planned 8 technical sessions in various themes like structural analysis, water resources engineering, geotechnical engineering, emerging trends in concrete studies, construction management, transportation engineering, and the general themes which showcase papers on disaster management, GIS, and solid waste management. We have contributions from authors from MIT, Manipur, Orissa, Roorkela, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Bangalore, BITS, Pilani, Rajasthan, and from various parts of Andhra Pradesh. We have very interesting and exciting sessions ahead. I thank all the reviewers of various themes for their patience in reviewing of technical papers. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Raman Rao, Registrar JNTH, Engineer SP Anchuri, he is here now with us. Sir, please. The President of Indian Concrete Institute, AP Hyderabad Chapter, Dr. M. Chandrasekhar, NIT Warangal, and Dr. P. Jagannath Rao Garu, Vice Principal of ACE Engineering College, Dr. Venkat Reddy, Professor NIT Suratkar, for their valuable suggestions in conducting the conference. I thank the Principal and Management for supporting this event with their continuous encouragement. I especially thank Sri NVS Reddy Garu for readily accepting our invitation and sparing his valuable time in spite of his busy schedule. I especially thank TechUp2 for sanctioning funds for the conference, without which we would not be able to conduct the conference. I thank all the others for contributing technical papers for the conference. I thank the sponsors and the press for their support. I thank ICTC team for their continuous efforts and support for the past 1 year. Lastly, I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Kamal Ghosh Rai for generously sparing the premises with all the logistics. I extend my thanks to my dear students for all their energetic efforts. I hope the 3-day deliberations are going to be fruitful and all the participants are going to get enriched with the concepts of emerging trends in civil engineering. Thank you, one and all.